Empowering innovation, driving sustainability. That's the story of ISI India over the last decade. As India's largest sustainable mobility skill development organization, we have made a significant impact across 24 states. ISIE's commitment to excellence has earned us numerous awards and recognition, including National Youth Award 2018, EDN Star Award, Social Entrepreneurship Award, Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Titans of Technology Award, and many more. Our efforts have been endorsed and appreciated by leading organizations such as Niti Aayog, MNRE, SMEV, AICTE, UGC, 100 plus automotive industry experts, 700 plus institutions across the country. At ISIE India, we are committed to uplifting communities, promoting diversity, and shaping a brighter future for all. Our initiatives have made a significant impact in the industry, from electric vehicle development to renewable energy solutions. Recently, we successfully completed projects such as Job on Training in EV Assembly Technician for 300 ITI students from rural communities and ITI Trainer TOT with GIZ and DVET at ISIE EV Lab in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. We are dedicated to harnessing the power of gender diversity and empowering women in tech-led industries. Our recent initiatives include women empowerment through projects like Auto Electric Technician, Electric Vehicle Technician, Assembly Technician, etc. Upskilling 2,500 plus youth from tribal, rural and socio-economically disadvantaged communities in FY23 with over 50% female participation. With our partners like GIZ, Cosmo Foundation, Masiya, Tata Technologies, Shri Chaitanya Seva Trust, ASDC, IPCA Labs, Jalna Jan Seva, Kalika Steels, Varad Crop, and additional skill acquisition program under Government of Kerala. We have established 25 plus COE EV labs across India and aiming to establish 250 plus labs by 2025 to create an ecosystem. We are proud of the success stories that have emerged from these initiatives, including employment in top companies like Tata Motors, Ola Electric, Force Motors, Hero Electric, Mahindra, American Axle, Siemens, Bosch, and many more. Our efforts aim to bridge the gap and create a more inclusive and diverse workforce. ISIE has left a significant mark among engineering students by conducting skill competition like the Electric Solar Vehicle Championship ESVC, Formula Imperial, Indian Karting IKR, and E-Bike Challenge. These competitions have led to the creation of over 3,000 prototypes under expert guidance, offering students hands-on experience and a talent pool for the automobile industry. More than 3 lakh youths have benefited from these initiatives, gaining hands-on experience and exposure to cutting-edge technologies. Many participants have secured top position in the industry and started their entrepreneurship journey. Through these diverse and impactful projects, the Imperial Society of Innovative Engineers ISIE is not only advancing electric mobility but also empowering individuals, promoting gender equality and fostering sustainable development. Together, we are driving change, one innovation at a time. Join us in our journey towards a brighter, more sustainable future.